You think you're disinfecting, but you're just cleaning. There's a huge difference, and getting it wrong could be putting your family at risk. Here's what you need to know. Cleaning removes dirt and debris, it makes things look clean. Disinfecting actually kills germs and bacteria. Most people only clean and wonder why their family keeps getting sick. Mistake number 1, you must clean before disinfecting dirt blocks disinfectants from working. Mistake number 2, disinfectants need dwell time, you can't just spray and wipe immediately. Mistake number 3, not every surface needs disinfecting. Save it for high-touch areas like doorknobs, light switches, and bathroom surfaces. Mistake number 4, using the wrong product, not all cleaners disinfect. Here's the pro method. Clean first to remove visible dirt, then apply EPA-registered disinfectant, let it sit for the recommended time, and then wipe. This actually kills 99.9% of germs. Want true disinfection done right? Our professionals are trained in proper sanitization protocols using EPA-approved products with correct dwell times for maximum protection. Too busy to clean your home? Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today. 256-633-6332.